£190,000 per week. Massasoit actor exited his Rios option to big name the Blossom and Eye. The Red Devils captain could devour Old Trafford this summer, as United aimed to bring in reinforcements. Massasoit United captain Harry Maguire could devour Old Trafford this summer, Fabrizio Romano has claimed. The England international has lost his starting spot and United decision following the signing of Lisandro Martinez and has fallen even further down the pecking order behind the back Lucio, who has moved to the center of 11 occasions this season. The 29-year-old has had a mixed spell at Old Trafford since joining in 2019, with a number of high-profile errors leading to criticism, but manager Ethan Hag recently praised the centre-back, referring to Maguire as dominant. Speaking on his YouTube channel, Ramon revealed that there is a strong possibility that United part away with Maguire this summer. Massasoit will probably go for a centre-back, with the situation of Harry Maguire to be considered, because there is a serious chance for him to leave, and with Kim Min-jae remaining as one of the big names they have in the list, with release clause available in July for sure he is in the list, they stated. Kim Min-jae is not the only one, so Manchester will go for the type of player. The former Leicester defender has 2 years remaining on this £190,000 per week contract, and given his current status in the squad, a renewal seems far from likely. Its belief may never be higher, and United could potentially become some of the £80 million they spent on him 4 years ago. If they do bring another centre-back, the prospect of regular minutes will be remote one for Maguire, and he may be better off finding a new club. It is certainly unclear who might be there for him, but if his former coach Brendan Rodgers potentially moved to Spurs, as has been moot, a reunion in North London may be on the cards. Maguire has made 174 appearances for the Red Devils, but with just 7 league stars this season, it is clear that he is not valued as a key player by Ten Hag, and could be part of major summer clear-out. The defender joined the club under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, but Ten Hag is seemingly keen to stamp his own authority on the squad and might choose to bring in more of his own targets following the success of Martinez. Maguire could move on and rediscover the form which he has not found all season, and United could have run a move for his replacement even over arrives this summer in a deal which could suit all parties.